How to transfer money from PayPal to Payoneer. So the steps are so simple to follow. After you open up now your PayPal app like this now, all you have to do now, make sure you verify your PayPal app. So after you verify your PayPal account successful, now tap on this wallet button. So from this wallet button, now go ahead and tap on this where it says bank and cut. Go ahead and tap on this add new. So from this add new here, it says banks. So all you have to do now, go ahead and tap on this bank and add in your Payoneer bank detail. So after you tap on this bank, add in your Payoneer bank detail. After you finish adding your Payoneer bank detail, if you go back, you'll be able now to see the bank detail like this one. If you come to this under the wallet, you'll be able to see the bank detail in this like this one. So from there now, if you want to transfer your money from PayPal to the Payoneer, just tap on this payment button. From there, you can be able now to select the bank and specify the amount and confirm your verification code. From there, the money will be sent into your Payoneer account. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.